According to the passage, which of the following will be an example of the false consensus bias, right? So let's see where it is given actually. We have to understand the idea behind it, then we can only mark it. I think the line has been mentioned over here. You can read this. This idea is mentioned over here. The very fact that ceremonial actions are not intelligible in practical terms means that we can endow them with many possible functions and meanings. Furthermore, if we do not know very much about what others are thinking, this line was very, very important. Furthermore, if we do not know very much about what others are thinking, we tend to believe that what is personally meaningful about the experience of joining is shared by everyone. So means to say it will be like a group exercise. So we tend to believe, if we do not know very much what people are thinking, we tend to believe what is personally meaningful about the experience of joining is shared by everyone, means everyone must also be thinking the same thing. And this is called the false consensus bias, which is well documented in the social psychology. So let's see the example which can support this false consensus bias. A bullied child assuming that everyone in his class is a bully. So if you look at the first one, it is absolutely wrong, because see, in this one, it is a reverse, like what a child is thinking. Fine, he thinks that everyone is against him, because a bully child assumes that everyone in his class is a bully and everyone is bullying him. But here the idea is that what I am experiencing, right, if even I do not know what others are thinking, must be the same thing. Got it? Must be the same. So this is something which is contradicting. Option number second says a doctor assuming that his unorthodox treatment method will be endorsed by the legal practitioners. So this is only the perception of an individual. It does not collectively come for the mass, right? It cannot be used for the mass. So it was not about talking about the group exercise, right? Having a experience, right, shared by everyone. This is absolutely out. Only the individual perception has been taken into account. Next one is a political worker assuming that all politicians are crooks. So why not the third option? Because it is the worker's personal opinion. He is assuming that all politicians are crooks. But basically, if I say this is a shared experience or not, this cannot be taken out. Right? This cannot be taken out. This makes my fourth option to be the right answer. It says a devout. Devout is basically a pious. Pious is a person who is religious. Right? Impious is basically inauspicious. A person is unholy or unreligious is impious, right? So devout is a religious or dedicated follower of a spiritual leader, assuming sincerity in all the devotees of his guru. So if he is a dedicated spiritual leader, he is also assuming that all the other devotees, right? This is a group exercise. They also show the sincerity towards their guru.